नमस्ते दोस्तों, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न द फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर। ये आपके सामने कंप्यूटर है। यहाँ पे हम व्हाट इज़ अ कंप्यूटर, पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर, इट्स इनपुट डिवाइसेस, स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस। नाउ विद डेफिनेशन देखते हैं। व्हाट इज़ अ कंप्यूटर? कंप्यूटर इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस दैट एक्सेप्ट द रॉ डेटा एज इनपुट एंड प्रोसेसेस इट विद द set of instruction. The machine that can store the data in the form of documents like Excel, PDF, videos, photos, etc. This kind of data we daily generate it. We daily use such a data. For that we require a computer. Now we see what are the parts of computer. Basically this is a monitor, also called as a screen. Screen has a different sizes. Then CPU, central processing unit, it is a heart of computer. Then we have a devices of computer, input devices, output devices. One is a processing unit. Again CPU it play as very important role. Now we see what are the input devices: webcam, microphone, scanner, etc. Keyboard, mouse are nothing but input device. Output devices such as a monitor, printer, speaker. Monitor for visualization, printer we can take a printout, speaker for listening music, etc. Now we have different kind of storage devices. One is the primary storage devices, one is a secondary storage device. In primary we have a ROM, RAM. In secondary storage device we have hard disk, CD-ROM, then DVD, floppy drive, pen drive, memory card. These are nothing but the different types of storage devices. Now we can see the pictures for understanding better. That hard drive, then CD-ROM, floppy disk. The floppy disk is already outdated now. Pen drive you already know. So these are nothing but the fundamentals of computer. Thanks.